Hi.
Hello, hi.
Hi. Good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you for asking. So after a long time, yes, I'm seeing you after a long time.
Exactly, yeah. And
I I went. Huh? Pardon
I
me.
think I got your time slot also after struggling a lot, maybe. Yeah.
Why did you struggle? Why did you have to struggle?
Because your slots are almost booked. That's why.
Okay. So I'm glad you found my slot today. I'm glad you found my slot today. So
I'm
I
glad.
remember I remember the last conversation that I had with you. You know. So
Yes.
the last conversation was on miracles, right?
Miracles. Yes. I'm glad you remember. Wow.
Yeah, yeah. So we spoke on karma. We spoke on karma, right?
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
So
Exactly.
you said that you don't believe in miracles. You said that, right? You believe in karma, and that we are responsible for what happens in our life. That is what you said. I remember that. Yeah.
And you agreed.
Yes, absolutely. Only one thing you said, that if there are any, say, accidents or something of that
Exceptions. Yes.
exception, like
There are.
accidents or something, then it is possible to, some miracle might happen which could, uh, help someone to be rescued, or someone's
Exactly.
life can be saved. Yes.
Yes, exact words. Oh my God, your memory is so good. Because
Yeah,
I
that
think
is, huh?
taking so many sessions, right? With so many
Yeah,
learners.
yes.
Wow.
So my memory is sharp. That is my advantage.
Oh,
So I
that's
use yeah. So my family and my family members and friends tell me that I have got a videographic memory. So I kind of so 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 I can tell all the details of what people have said in the past. You know.
and you like quote as it is, exact words.
Yeah. because
Wow.
because right now when I'm talking to you, the other previous video is flashing in front of my eyes.
Wow, wow. That's just so good. I'm just so surprised. Like, I think if, after so long time, I met someone who is having very good memory, because nowadays people have so many things going on in their mind. So it's
Yeah.
difficult to even remember what I ate in lunch. And you like, and I think it's been a long time we had session. It's not just,
Yeah. 2 months. 2 months. I think 2 months.
yeah.
So yeah, so it's been a long time. So like I remember things which happened 1 year back also. So
Oh my God. Wow. That's just so good. I think there is some word or something who is having sharp memory or who can recall exact words or incidents even after a long time. I'm not getting that word. I hope you know. I'm
so
ex-
so as far as my memory serves me, I can recall everything. So I'm good at that. So yeah, so my friends tell me, so like, say if we say if we went for a vacation, say 2 years back, you know, so my family members and friends would forget whatever happened. Okay,
yeah,
but
even me
then
too.
yeah. So then if we meet, say after 2 years or 1 year, whenever we meet, so we sit on the dinner table and then we discuss. They ask me what happened, and
Oh,
then I start narrating, and by virtue of that, they are able to recall or
yes.
relive the memory, relive the past, relive the vacation, So
You are
so that
like
is,
a video recorder to them. Like you
yeah, we
must have,
did
I think, express everything.
yeah, everything, all the minute details, I tell them. So what,
That's
like details like what he said, what she said, what song she was humming, I remember all that detail.
oh, wow, wow. So, like, how are you using this special talent in your life?
Just with my loved ones, friends and loved ones,
Oh,
making
wow.
them feel happy, and also like on Clapingo also, that I remember what you said two
Yeah,
months back.
exactly. I mean, this is something I will always remember. Like, whenever I'll have next session or something, like, I'll always remember that, okay, this tutor is like, he's having like an outstanding memory.
Thank you so much for that compliment. Thank you so much for the compliment.
I want to congratulate you also. Like you
Okay.
are the speaker of the month, right?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind words. And so I'm happy and like I want to do better. And thank you so much for that. And tell me,
I was asking like how long have you been here on Clapingo?
2 months.
Oh my God. Wow, wow. It's so good.
Yeah.
And
So
within 2 months only you got that speaker of the month. People are liking you a lot.
yeah,
Wow.
thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. In fact, October was my first full month because I joined on September 6th.
Okay.
So October was my full month. First
Oh,
first full month.
and in that month only you achieved that.
So
Great.
God has been kind and I have done my best. Yeah. I'm
Again,
grateful to
like
everybody.
how you like what you give to people, it comes back to you. So
Thank you.
I think you must have given your 100% to your learners. That's why they have given you this.
Absolutely. So that is what we spoke about, right? In our last session. Like we
Exactly.
are
Yes.
responsible. So you said something, you said that we should give credit to ourselves, right? You said that, right? When we
Yeah.
achieve something, we should give credit to ourselves, right?
And
So we
see,
are only,
just now you said that God is kind to you. I'm
yeah.
sure God is kind to you, but uh,
I
at
did
the
my
same
best. I did my
time,
best.
I've given you 100%. So you should be thankful to yourself that yeah, I'm doing my best.
Yes, yeah, that I did. I was trying to be humble, but yes, I know I did my best, and I'm happy. Yeah, that my efforts, paid rich dividends. Yeah. So
Yes, yes, yes.
good.
I was
Thanks for.
wondering.
Mhm.
Sorry.
Tell me. I was wondering.
I was wondering whether I'll be able to join the session or not because I'm just back from office and I just got that reminder. So I was trying to join, but I was not able to. Then I took screenshot. I shared redeem, and then they sent me link. And I was like, okay, my life
Okay.
is good.
Good.
Because
So
I have already. I told I struggled a lot to get this slot, and again I struggled to join the session also.
yes, yes. So yeah, it was a struggle all the way,
I
right,
think
from
there
the
was
beginning.
a network glitch or something.
Yeah, technical glitch. I understand. So are you aware of today's topic?
No, I'm
So,
sorry.
so when is lying acceptable? Lying acceptable. Say,
Yeah.
say some, for example, I'm asking. No, this is a topic. That is a topic. Is it okay to lie? Do you think is it okay to lie sometimes?
Okay.
White
Okay.
lies.
Yeah, yeah, I understood now.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, of course, if you ask me, I'll say yes only because I cannot say no. If I'll say no, then it will be again a lie.
Okay.
And lies are good, but sometimes, not all the time. So, if I think this is we have been taught from childhood that किसी अच्छी चीज के लिए झूठ बोलो तो झूठ अच्छा होता है. So we have grown up with that thought in mind. So now also we use the same, and I think it's increased a lot nowadays. Every now and then they're like, I'm on my way, I'm coming, I have like there are so
Right.
many things we
Yeah.
used to like convince other people that
Yes.
they should not get angry on us.
Okay. So one small correction, you said it is increased a lot. It is increased a lot. It has increased a lot.
It has increased a lot. Yes,
Okay.
it has.
So
I think I think I can use better word also
tell
for
me,
increase.
enhanced or enhanced. Not enhanced. It has increased a lot. It has increased a lot.
I
No,
can
it has.
modify the sentence also,
Pardon me.
right?
You can.
I
You
can
can.
modify the sentence also. Increase
Yeah.
if you use increase.
Tell me how you can modify the statement. Can you think of any other way you can modify the statement?
No, that was I was asking you actually.
No. No, here this is fine. This is fine. Here
Okay.
it is right. It has increased a lot. The tendency of lying has increased a lot. Okay. So, so now tell me something like, okay. So now can you tell me a situation where you actually lied? One is to save, to prevent someone from getting angry. So any other situation where you have lied to someone?
Uh, this is something personal, but I think now my mom got to know, so I can speak now because
Okay.
she's in the kitchen only and she'll. But the good part is that she doesn't understand English, so it will be fine. We like I went out like out of the town or in different city, and
Okay.
I told my mom that it is regarding to work or it is related to office, but I
Okay.
actually went for my friend's marriage. They were like that was a court marriage, and we
Okay.
actually wanted to keep it secret for some time, but
Okay.
and obviously like she was my best friend, my mom knows her mom and they talk sometimes, so I thought if I tell my mom she'll maybe tell her mom. That's why I told my mom that I'm going for my office work and I left home. I did that thing because I was witness there.
Okay.
You witness to
Oh,
court.
okay. Okay. You were the witness.
Yes, but like deep down I was feeling very bad because I was doing something very critical, right? Being a witness in someone's marriage is a big thing, like for
Yes.
everyone.
Yes. It's a
So
critical situation. Yeah, it's absolutely.
it was very critical situation. She lied at her home, I lied at my home, and like we did that. But once we are back, we told our moms or our parents like immediately because we didn't want it to like backfire us or turn out something very bad. That's why.
Right. So
So that
one small correction. You said I didn't want it to. Okay.
I didn't want to.
Yes. Yes. We didn't. The verb will be always in the first form.
Yes, right.
I didn't want to. Okay. This is a very common mistake made by everybody. So I just wanted
Yes.
to
Yes.
point. Okay. And so I didn't want to. So yeah. Otherwise, it would have backfired. Otherwise, it
Yes.
would. Otherwise, it would have backfired. That's why I told my parents.
Otherwise, it would have backfired.
Backfired. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So that was a very good example of when you lied for some. It was a good intention, right? You wanted to be a friend, So you had to lie to your parents in order to do that,
Intention was good, but I really want to say, like, if we should not do that because marriage is something really very big thing in our lives, and
Yeah.
I did that because I had a strong reason, and for like everyone, the situation will be different or would be different, and I knew that guy since long time, so I know it is something good. That's why I did that, but we should not. One should not do that.
Yeah.
It's
We're
wrong.
running out of time, so you have shown a lot of improvement in your speech. I remember our last conversation. If you compare, you have improved a lot. We're speaking more confidently, so keep it up. Okay.
Yeah.
So it was lovely talking to you, Arushi, and I would love to talk to you again soon.
Same here. Same here.
Okay. So you take care and have a wonderful evening.